G'day everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to give you a rundown of where we're at with our portfolio. Let me shoot over to the screen here. Here's our Tracking.info account, third-party verified, synced in with my brokers or exchanges that I have connections to via API, Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Now, I just came off putting together, posting the new trading course, cryptocurrency, okay? So I'll go over that in a minute. But the point here is that we've come from nothing, $200 all the way up to 8,000, okay, in 2 years. Now we've hit, of course, the decline back earlier this year. In this period in 2021, I'm trying to get things rolling on Python execution. Not the wisest move. Moved it into MotoWave, a trading platform, and you can see the difference here. So let me pull up the 14-day. Another highlight here is that you can see the increase that we've been having since we've implemented this new change on not too long ago. When's that? October 10th. So we're on the 23rd, 13 days after. And you can see here on the coin level, we're at 1945 back then. And now we're back 35.84. So right here we peaked 2 days ago at 3,600. Bitcoin has dropped off, you can see here, and yet we're very close to recovering from that loss. With my strategy, what I do is I hold a lot of US dollar. I don't hold Tether because I think there's going to be a radical change in the US when it comes to Tether and USDC and all that as regulation. Being on Kraken, I can trade in US dollar, unlike Coinbase, which they just give me a tiny amount of coins to trade in US dollar. That's why I'm pretty well in my course. I do not recommend Kraken, or I do not recommend Coinbase. If Coinbase is okay to hold a little bit for the data, but that's it. Do not trade. I repeat, do not trade on Coinbase. You will probably lose your money. I posted some articles earlier this week on it, and I've removed them for legality purposes, but I will just say I do not trust Coinbase one bit. Data's fine, that's about it. So here you can see the recovery over 2 days. Dropped down a little bit, and it's fully recovered now, or on its way. So this is typical when you hear the term volatility and you don't make money. Well, that's because most people that trade crypto don't know what they're doing. But here, let me just show you again on the 2 month, maybe at best view, 2 month view. So here, this is what we're talking about here on the full screen, is that you can see where it's been very flat again because I'm trying to get things working in Python. Forget it. Moved everything over to MotoWave. Look at the difference. Okay, it's grown. And I'm hoping to claim in the next few weeks, a few days, I can say, hey, look, you can double your money by moving on to MotoWave, okay? And still be smart and be able to minimize those losses. I put up quite a few videos on that on my YouTube channel. So that's what's going on. Okay, so 2 things. If you like this, go onto my private chat server. I leverages this a lot to get you, if you decide to take my crypto trading course, so on and so forth. We have this sort of stuff that you can look at, which is pretty close to real time. 15 minutes. I do it real time if the exchanges allow me with the polling via the API, but do realize they do put restrictions on you. But you can see here is this. If you understood this, you could save yourself quite a bit of money because you have half the market of these coins that are so-called performing. You can see that they are starting to drop. So this data is very reliable, but you can only get that if you join my Quant Analytics service. Also here, if you want to know more, get on the newsletter at quantlabs.net/contact. So what's going on right now, I've put up some videos on this. If you go to my quantlabs.net/shop, okay, here I'm cleaning up the store. I'm going to be removing pretty well all the free courses I've had. They're being rolled into the new cryptocurrency course. And that's only way to get in on that is this, the Quant Analytics membership service. Right now you can see it's been listed at annual at $9.97. That's going to get chopped back to same price, but instead of 12 months it'll be reduced to 4 months, and then eventually 3 months. So you're looking at a 3 then a 4-time return since 12 months. And that's why we do that. So we got a new cryptocurrency course coming. It's already there. I just got to hook it all up, and that'll be done the next day. I'm going to formally launch the first week of this course come November 1st at around 5 to 6 p.m. It depends upon how many people come in. There will be the content available once you sign up in the next couple of days. So you can consume the first batch, the first week, which is fairly easy. Just explain the benefits of crypto, and then the Kraken, how to use it, how to transfer money, blah, blah, blah. And then the second week gets into more of the economics and the tax implication and how crypto can really, really help you build wealth. And then the last 2 weeks are the technical analysis with what works. And then the very last week, which is really optional for those that want to go into programming and automation on the 4th week. And again, that's optional. So the first 3 weeks are really good. Again, this starts this Monday come the 1st. So reason is a lot of people always ask, where's your track record? Where's your track record? A couple things you can take away from this, really important here, is you will find a lot of these dumb gurus out there will not put up their track record. They will not put up what they've done today, not last or last week. Anything beyond that is trash. You don't want to hear it because we don't care about your past performance. We want to know where you're at now. I would rather put up my track record right here for the last 2 years, show you, yes, we did lose money, yes, here's why it went flat, and here's what we're doing about it. I'd rather have you learn from that, be brutally honest, and learn this way, and follow that path, and especially here that you can say, yes, these are the trades from this month, not like 3 months ago. That's absolutely garbage to sit there and say yes. And the thing is, what you want to look for, I don't care. There's one guru out there, he's probably the biggest in the world. He's putting up his statements that have been vetted by some corrupt con artist accounting firm out of New York. That's no good. You know, I do know that there are services out there that you can get where you can journal and track your trading record in almost real time. No more than 24 hours. Here, we do crypto. I do crypto because it's the number one asset class. I only look at crypto. And here we are going back to, how far back does it go? At least 2 years. So you can see here, this goes all the way back to March 1918? Yeah, 2019. And all the way up to here. That's a 25% 25 time return. And look what's happening now in the last couple of weeks, okay? And you can see the price of Bitcoin. Why would you want to sit out and miss out on this? Because this is what people want. They want to see this track record. That's fine. But now that we have it, now it's successful, now you got to pay. Let me show you what I mean. You want a track record, now you got to pay. You got to pay me for the performance, okay? You pay me, okay? You pay me. My dues are now, and I'm not screwing around with this. So if people want to get in, you get in now, learn about crypto. I've put the course together. If you're sitting on the sideline, you're missing out, and then you start whining about life. Oh, well, you get left behind. Over and out. And I just put another video out showing you just overall in the economy, worldwide, what's going on, and that we will be having something happening. As I say, something dangerous is lurking in the water, and we're upon that. So again. If you want to get I can't tell you, get in the conversation here. We've got the general chat right here, right now. Nobody participates. I wonder why. I don't know. Don't bother me, but it's there. The contact for what I do, newsletter-wise, just go to quantlabs.net/contact. If you want to get on the chat server, I've got some hidden rooms only for my customers. But you can get some free signaling here. Let me just show you here. These are free trades that are traded. Only Cardano, Ethereum, and Polkadot. Those are really good coins. They're moving really well. Okay, just look them up. I encourage everyone to do due diligence. The other thing I post here again for free is the news. Okay, 2-3 times this gets posted. What's moving? What's not? What's going on in the industry? Latest big news. Walmart is now installing over 8,000 ATMs where you can get and trade Bitcoin and other crypto coins. PayPal's doing it. Facebook's doing it. A lot, like crypto is going mainstream. So yet again, we've talked about it. Look at this price right here. Bitcoin has hit all-time high. They're projecting this thing will easily get up to 100,000. Here's the other thing that I'm doing. I haven't talked about this. What I'm also doing is I'm moving into Kraken futures, getting everything all prepped for my trading out of Quebec because I don't have access to the Kraken futures market. Because I can easily get it set up in Quebec, I'm hoping to get my bots rolling out in Bitcoin and Ethereum in the futures market of Kraken. So it's going to add more value. I'm not shown that where it went from 16,000 all the way up to $2.1 million in 7 months. Okay, that's the peak it's at. So I'm going to implement all of that. So again, that's why people will be paying for all this fun stuff. Okay, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. You decide because the prices increases are coming and they're going to be massive. We'll talk to you later. Have a good day.